Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today's program is very important. We will talk about politics, justice, security, corruption, leadership and laws. These are serious issues that affect the life of ordinary people every single day. In this report, we will cover why the European Union is calling for inclusive political talk before election in South Sudan. Second, we'll talk about serious allegations against the National Security Service involving millions of dollars. And third, we'll talk about claim that presidential pardon were sold for money at Juba prison. This is very serious. And fourth, we'll talk about the shocking killing of a church bishop in Juba. And finally, the death of a long-serving leader from Mayendit County. Before we move on with this latest top story, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin with European envoy called for inclusive dialogue before election in South Sudan. The European Union has once again spoken about the future of democracy in South Sudan. On January 14, 2026, the European Union ambassador to South Sudan, Pele Enarsson, met with senior leader of the ruling party, the SPLM in Juba. The meeting took place at the SPLM headquarters and included the party Secretary General called Paul Kordit. And after the meeting, the European Union or the European ambassador spoke clearly about one main issue: the need for inclusive dialogue before election in South Sudan. The European Union is not just speaking as an ambassador. It is one of the biggest donors to South Sudan. For years, the European Union has supported peace implementation in South Sudan, democratic institutions, election preparation, and the governance reform. Ambassador Enarsson explained that election cannot succeed if only one side is involved. He said that all political parties must talk to each other openly and honestly. According to him, democracy only works when people feel represented. Parliament reflects the will of the people, and no political group is excluded. He emphasized that an elected parliament must have legitimacy, meaning it must be trusted by citizens. This message comes at a sensitive time. Just one day earlier, the SPLM held a major internal meeting, bringing together its members and lawmakers. That meeting showed that the ruling party wants to move forward with election and approve election-related law. However, not everyone agrees on the process. Last month, the presidency and cabinet approved change to the 2018 peace agreement. These changes separated the 2026 election from writing a permanent constitution, conducting a national census, and completing key reform. This decision caused controversy. The peace agreement signed by President Salva Kiir Mayardit and First Vice President Dr. Machateng and other leader has already faced many delays. Elections were postponed several times and are now planned for December 2026. Supporter of Dr. Riek Machar, the first Vice President, is strongly object to the current approach. They argue that consultations were led only by the President, Salva Kiir Mayardit. Opposition voices were excluded, and the spirit of the peace agreement is being ignored. First, by President Dr. Machar, who is the leader of SPLMIO and a key peace partner, has been detained since March 2025. He is facing treason charges linked to violence in Upper Nile State. This situation raises serious questions. Can election be free and fair without all leaders involved? Can democracy work without trust? These are the concerns the European Union is raising. Let's move on. National Security Service are accused of selling 5 million worth of scrap copper. We now turn to a very serious investigation involving South Sudan National Security Service, also known as the NSS. According to investigation, commercial goods worth more than $5 million were confiscated and sold illegally. The goods involved were scrap copper wires. Scrap copper wires is not illegal. It is commonly used in electrical wiring, construction, electronics, and manufacturing. However, because of its high value, the trade is strictly regulated. Court documents show that 9 South Sudanese business owners have taken the National Security Service to court. They accuse the intelligence agency of abuse of power, illegal seizure of private property, selling goods without consent. The total value of the good is estimated at $5,196,000. So, how did this happen? In 2024, the business owner bought scrap copper from Sudanese trader near the border. The good passed through many checkpoints, including Abyei, Athony, Wunrock, Kwajok, Wau, and Rumbek. At each checkpoint, taxes were paid, custom duties were cleared, and official documents were issued. Everything was done legally. But when the truck reached Juba, National Security Service and military intelligence officer impounded the goods, calling them illegal. The owner protested, but they were ignored. Later, the case reached senior presidential advisor, Paul Manyangjuk, who reportedly confirmed in writing that the goods were legal and ordered their release. The goods were never released. Later still, the owner were told that the goods had already been sold. Sources claim the sale benefit foreign companies and Somali businessmen without the owner knowledge. Now, the High Court in Juba has summoned the National Security Service to respond by January 23, 2026. The business owners are demanding full compensation, additional damages, and punishment for abuse of authority. The National Security Service has not responded publicly. This case raises a major question. Who protects citizens when powerful institutions violate the law? Let's move on. Allegation of sole presidential pardon at Juba prison. This next story is deeply troubling. A presidential pardon meant to show mercy and reconciliation is now accused of being turned into a business transaction. On December 31st, 2025, President Salva Kiir Mayardit ordered the release of 97 prisoners across South Sudan. The order was described as an act of national healing. But inside Juba Central Prison, a different story is being told. Former inmates say freedom was only given to those who could pay bribe. Between January 7 and January 11, only 39 inmates were released from the prison. Several inmates say their families were asked to pay between 400,000 South Sudanese pound up to 1.5 million South Sudanese pound. One former inmate said his name was removed from the pardon list because he could not pay. Another described overcrowding so severe that prison men for 500 people now hold over 4,000. Diseases are spreading and people are dying inside cell. Civil society leaders have condemned the allegation. They say a presidential pardon cannot be sold. Officials have no authority to demand money, and poor prisoners are being punished for poverty. The prison service confirmed the release but refused to comment on bribery allegation. The president's office has not responded. This situation raises a painful question. Is justice only for those who can afford it or not? Let's move on. Bishop killed during army robbery in Juba. We now turn to a tragic and shocking crime inside Juba. On the evening of January 15, 2026, Bishop Christopher Maring of the African Inland Church was killed in his own home in Gudele, Juba. Four army men broke into the house while his family was inside. They demanded money and held the wife and children hostage. When Bishop Maring turned home, unaware of the danger, he opened the gate. He was shot immediately. The attackers then fired more shots and escaped. Church leaders strongly condemned the killing and call it evil, targeted, unacceptable. They demanded a full investigation and justice. This killing added to growing fear about insecurity in Juba. Let's move on. Death of former Mayendit Commissioner James Galwak. We end today's program with news of loss. Major General James Galwak, a former commissioner of Mayendit County, died in India on January 12, 2026. He served his community for many years and was known for leadership, development, and security. Leaders and community members praise his legacy. His body will be returned to South Sudan for burial. Another malaka nyam kana diala content barwan lingwasme biya kamal ka Changfied YouTube channel bana raiketin kona lat korodian. Ay ler kana mete kon galer shub gadiech ba raike ku European Union cholken inclusive political talk before election rawika South Sudan ala cholken kumikir mi yadi deno de karach aka pantin kokena kan ko inkwar kana to bana jeka jalerame Maradian bana raike ku National Security Service kwan mi chala do ken chicken yuru show $1 million chicken ga cham re wich ka Juba banjeling ba jalerame Jordan bana kwen gwaza bana rach ka kwi raje da ne chala da president self kim yadit and o tene di chalun lora bang tel yu batte Georgia gwano teme kane de ko ne chala da no de lun lora bang walu ni namro da ka yoke lo wachi na ci ka korap bana rai kan wandien chala da no cha ramim la bishop ke kwelo akot rai ka Juba la shoy bishop cha janak tiang de ni kene ti tiberai cheng banjeling ka jalerame men jog ban right ka kwi kwar mayandit ramchi kon ler la kwar mi yede jien bandi linga jari podam men am chan right ka kwi man chalat European Union the European Union chigaro jikan lat gwasa me chigaro ka kwi future democracy rewi ka South Sudan ka changwel wan ka paikel ronkin dangro jandangro bakel the European Union ambassador de kon chalo no European ambassador men rewi ka South Sudan wuri chale pele Tiga jekene senior leader nying SPLM rawike Juba tin pinker mi yadit are dul kanamo tiga rach ka ta dana de queen kwade jelat kije right ken ka spell mid quarter gwad mate party secretary general a call Paul Cody Teten kiko right ka jen dole mo European ambassador the right George correcting kon lat korudien rekele je kula mention along jene ta dana de na de ka right je kan queen kware ken network an queen kware no mo de ne den kon tila bon SPLM and pinker mi yadi kan SPLIO kan bonne ko ken de ka right kan queen kware kan network do no ci Ramadan la European Union delegation ke men chaja che George wona na ka men ana chenen yala wona na malari ga long mi tene party keltin kan de call it ko ba ko inquire ba jelat pal ka party menodien mala signatory nyot den o to rectum wante gatin ki European Union jigala do wona gor kono de mal de jelat before kan ko inquire kan ben European Union ngake ken oken wa kan etel wa ka South Sudan lo kan the biggest donor ka South Sudan karundu ngwan ti European Union ci kan South Sudan ci kan lo ka kwi o ba mal ba jelat kano ba democratic institution ba jelalet ka kwi election preparation no ba kuin kwar ba jelat kana tin ko ken lat kere wechet ka governance reform ta da ande kum daro de gerke je ti European Union ci ka contribute in amishiren we ambassador in Nelson cha chala do ne jene election cannot succeed kuin kwar che de wo woniam makan other party can involved ti ka party SPLM ayo pin dakre ma char makan kon involved ajentel mi chal ka election me de ro lat yala da wona ne general political parties biga deal participate karwat mabalat openly ka biga la wona ko ba mun alat ka bayala da George ano anata ka mat ke na ta kamar ka jom chelat gwasame ajen democracy la lede mi nat mi kan ngade no kwa ka represent gwa ke nyot ga jeno no ka ke te ka ne te mo chungo gwadien anyok akene democracy bala George gwada danan cha parliament chajo dien chajeling ane kontin right kana ko don batana baga which ko chicken rajima chicken banga jeno ngum le rode anyok ajenatele no political me de exclude political group me de banjor irgamente aspilai wo jeni chajele lanmo kela do nene mi gorga jeno bi election belet anono gorga jeno bane dial ba kapar bu kumbro de jago ba je ngede neka ko kuma cha ngede neka cha voting cha demlat anono ke message chalat gwasme chala da George wona SPLM gwa de ka tika right ke de ka mat ke de ka mar anono ka jo chalat gwasme mlin kone bana right tin gwa jo me be ka korke me shi party SPLM pinkir mi yadi chekate ka dol rewi ke Juba redul kono mo chikala no shikana no ba ko inquire ba jelat SPLM ruling party gwam mi chiga right tin no by election ba jidi la chikana approve no by election ba jelat jin ko ala jogo no nena kan ko inquire ka network gore jen go yen de yen del right ka partner dial ka de yen ke include ko en party kel ko ra chi jen de election de jelado mi chikana mo cha roje long kan ikana gwano kan European Union no chikira already chetet kone cha tange 2010 peace agreement chaka wo chet ka permanent constitution national census ne ka dial cha capture ai jende tie kana kona ganga queen kwara kati ti cha queen kwara cha dem lar meteleka makan pengna kana kwen makan bongon makan kon tukti dial tin ter mutual ke election murto kana kon lalet anyok makan da kama char kana kon kambrar cher mangai kone da kama char jarama nyam me tan mal so kuje momete me lero daga queen kware de da kama char de ja kambrar de kan were mal ka jenji kan kulat gwasmen wonene jenene mugoru jeno bu queen kwar ba jelat no gorjeno be president self ke me yadit be da kama char be jedil kamrar bi ka rach bi ka nyur den ba ko inquire ba jela do dana balat ke je no ban mungut part radio no nguda kwaje sailan ke ganga je jolo chicken participate ken mene kelmi be ko be country be nyoloch re kore ta jo mo cha jarwach ke cha jela de ken chana we national security service re ke Juba goin cha goin ke wa kan chike yuti choko $5 million chicken karior ke chicken gacham Name a very serious investigation me shalat re wiki South Sudan ke Queen National Security Service bona shal ke NSS ka jom shalat gwase me waken chicken commercial goods titte ka yuri shop ka $5 million wa chicken ka confiscated ke chicken ka ko gwandien lat ken OTT ki legal ti cha de nang re wi ka South Sudan ken kwak to chi ken ka kep ka kwak de chal ke scrap copper wire la dep karaba ke ki tila electrical wiring tila lat ke quick construction ke electronic ni ke manufacturing and ken na yin de ti kan ka $5 million ka kugdien rama mo wa ko ke rami mala Sudanese business key trader cho yo kok cho yo nong ka do badan nong ko ngwa kaje me che beno ka beno re wike South Sudan wa da do badan jelatin wa che jal ka goten content la tax la ticketin la yo la ka tobe ba jogo no telere ko ngai ka jeno ken ke legal angwa da me che we ne ga shop de re which ka Juba wa cho George no ci National Security Service shu kana kapchong ka shu kan kwak to yu kan ka wa ci kan power din ci kan abuse ka ci kan kwak kan cap la private property ci kan cap ko do mi mo kan ngach wa kan kwak no ka be shu chu mi chala ton chu mi chala un rock chu ka kwa jok chu ka wow chu ne ka rumbek no kan all this checkpoint wa cha your pintina kan duno ka chop dire wi ka Juba ka jora na chalat awa an gwadmo shu National Security Service kan military intelligence chu kan kwak to yu kan cap ka call me kan kwak cap ano shu kan kwak dia yu kan kwak before kan kwak kan kwak chu da me che gun cha jun je tel mission kan kwak ti chi kan deben ke legal cha de no re ka South Sudan men me che war ga che gwar senior presidential advisor wuri cha kol manyang juk chu kol manyang juk gwa chu war ga nyo gor je National Security ano kwak hudu no mo kwak release ka call me chu mo je chup cha ju no kwak dia cha kwak already tel kwak tetin ka kwak to kwak ke yuti $5 million no alo cha kwak cha rior National Security Service den ka kore chude me chuo ko court wude ka court cha National Security Service cha ka jogo no gor ka ye wa bikan kwak to bikan ga gor ka chanya ndang ro de dok ka paikel ronkin ndang ro je ndang ro de bakel ya ga chol ka high court wi ka Juba ano bikan kwak to bikan ga chul ki bikan mutual full compensation can additional damage can punishment for abuse of authority ko jikal wangdi kan yarore de shiga pare kan abuse wa bikan wudo mo bikan yoga bikan ga dil yor pin ka ta da ni shikan chiam je kan nyot ka ja na me jen ta le rode karam mo ku le kong tot ka cha ko ya kan they just doesn't know meram din mo muku kong no kwak te ke $5 million ka ba ga sham na ina security karam mo ordinary person leren job gwazme chana right ka jomo chalat gwasme okay before kan kono ka lere jok la ngode dan shi kim yadi de la no chene ri chop kana 97 chika pardon le wi ka Juba ne de lon yer lora bang chala de kan ne to kono sha yenen no ta chi kim yadi chala ka je wa che jojo gwano ne dia le ko de chala do balun walun ram rode ka yoka kan chi lodin che jadalung ka jomo chalat ka Juba Central Prison wa ngai kana gwano de ran lun lora bang chirme chala prison kir barga kore cha jogo no braro de lun ke yuti 400,000 South Sudanese pound away ka 1.5 million South Sudanese pound mi jiram goro ba lun ke chai pado na kir bi yo top bi kay yorpin but ka roje dane chalat gwaseme wa mi president top order eno ba ne to ba lun lora bang te ram gor kano de yo de ka yorpin right now walat ke investigation ba ne tin content cha chap mo cha jo chap ba ka kep na me mungot wa en point officer president dun serve kem yadit tele michigan lat kamada le rode china right point canadian content lo ngana kan cha ne chop ka 39 cha ka lo already but ko lo ka bribery la you ran yopin ba ju ko lo wa na me che chuang kir cha ka pardon lora bang atere am you ran pin wana ka le rejak na me le jes ka watch te ga wood me la bishop me sha na kre wiki Juba dio je ka riudun dial kan kana ngach wuda mo nakaje ka Changfied dich nakaje tianka wer kan naga ne ko na la tika me wiki Juba jen shali bishop Christopher Maring ramkel milet ka African Inland Church nakaje re duare ka gudele Juba ka gudele jen gwada nakaje jetin jena wa chala do shine dan wan ci ga chup dore she can broken to his house she can check the kana gar ki kana ka ngore te jor ka bende wa bene cheng mi jen leba kala chwa chu baraje ka chwa yonak jen do badanen liwo ka jere wiki Juba na ga jetiang cha ga da kan shigri cha gapel chu ne da to chu rit chu bar ne me jen dan to talk of course mi chine me cha konde mai kon mi chiro lan medan me changa me cha wud jando den cha nak right now che la jen wud me nyong me cha nyoko nagane just like we didn't know and Juba chela 7 more can it content till ordinary people no mo kwa na ga pastor what about ni ko ordinary people ko ngai ka rama me rami mo metel yo wa they demand money kan it kon kap kana ki na ka wudo mo no chala do ba investigation ba jelat ba ni ko na ka jaba ka gor ka joran chala Lera Jack, former Mayendit Commissioner, Wood Charlie James Galwak, Yere Shalong, Major General James Galwachul, a former Commissioner Kamayendit County, watch yet your long key India. Kachanga Waraka Paikel, Winking down Rojandang Red Buckle. Jana Wakwari member, Ka good leadership, Ka development, Ka security, Kate way down to community, Chajasef Kaja, Rewika South Sudan Kamayendit. Ken Lercon and Deconaling and a mare, Mijiram did Kunwan and Cocaine, Yatakamal, bye bye.